two, one, listo.
Okay, welcome. Thank you everyone for being here.
Datang.
Here we are
Terima kasih
again in
semua
our
untuk
third
hadir di
edition
sini.
of our Asian New Year.
Sekarang kita merayakan tahun baru ini.
This project pretty much started 2 years ago, but we
Proyek ini
started
mulai 2 tahun yang
in the
lalu.
New Year Eve, in the Western New Year. It means around December 31st, kind of. So we
Sebelum merayakan tahun baru Barat,
New Year, and
kemudian
by the
untuk
second
yang
year, this
Imlek.
year we've just finished, this is our third event. So
Dan
I'm very
kalau
happy to be
sekarang ini
here
perayaan
sharing the
Imlek
space with all of
adalah
you.
yang ketiga.
Thank you, Geshe-la, for being here with us
Terima
today.
kasih
Gina,
Michael
also
udah
thank
di
you for
sini.
being here. Rob Haggerty.
Juga
We
buat
have
teman-teman
other
yang
guests and hosts today.
ada tamu dan para
It's just like
MC
we
ada
are
di
here all
sini.
crowded in the corner. But first, I would like to hear from Geshe-la, maybe what you have to say
Pertama,
about this
kita ingin mendengar dari Michael, Jesse Michael, apa keputusannya untuk tahun baru Imlek ini. Saya nggak tahu kalau ini tahun baru ular.
You know, the snake is famous for venom, for what comes out.
Ular sangat terkenal dengan bisanya.
I think it's like a tiger. That
Seperti harimau itu ada taringnya.
Power of an excellent year with a lot of energy. So I feel like this is going to be.
Jadi ini tahun ini menjadi tahun yang bagus untuk energi.
Gina, what the snake represents for you?
Kalau buat Gina, ular ini melambangkan apa?
Is an animal to flexible.
Okay.
We can
menggambarkan fleksibilitas.
Dodge the obstacles of life.
Yes.
Mampu melalui semua hambatan dalam hidup.
Okay.
And sort of owning that power.
Kalau buat Bob itu artinya untuk mengatasi rasa takut kita.
Yeah.
You know whose friend is a snake year? Stanley.
Siapa temannya dari
snake year. So,
siapa yang lahir di tahun ular?
Check how it goes for him. We'll see. We wish you the best.
Yeah,
for me it's actually good luck because for me, I mean, I don't know much, but for me,
nanti hasilnya untuk kalau buat saya ular melambangkan terima kasih.
And then I like to think, yeah, he was
kayak Nagarjuna. Itu kan tuannya ular ya.
So today we are celebrating many of the organizations that are doing great job in Asia. And also
hari ini kita akan merayakan keberhasilan dari beberapa organisasi yang ada di Asia.
We may not be able to show them all tonight, but we will be keep sharing them in the next upcoming weeks.
Tapi kita akan terus bercerita tentang keberhasilan mereka dalam 1 minggu ke depan.
Thank you so much for being here. So we will
sudah berada di sini.
The first please video. Let's relax.
Kita akan menampilkan video.
We will have an in-depth explanation on what's the snake year. Thank you.
Dan selanjutnya kita akan mendengar penjelasan tentang apa yang dimaksud dengan tahun ular.
Okay, so that was an organization by
Itu
Sophie
adalah
Chow. She
organisasi
is doing the Mental Seed Project. It's a very, very
yang
wonderful.
ada
She's
proyeknya
very
tentang
strong in Japan these
bibit
days. I think
mental
is
di
where she has
Jepang.
been doing her programs. And today we have also with us great teacher John
Dan
Brady here with us. Thank you,
Mas
Jelena.
Brady juga ada di sini, guru yang hebat.
The reason we decided to have you here is because I
Jadi
remember I
kami
had the chance
memutuskan
to
untuk
be in
mengundang
one
Anda
of
ke
your
sini
talks in classes.
karena
Very
kami ingin
wonderful.
mendengar
Japan.
pengajaran Anda.
Exactly. And it was wonderful. It was produced by Mental Seed. So maybe if you can share with
Kita
all
akan
of us a
mendengar
little
tentang
bit
apa yang
what was your
dimaksud dengan
experience
bibit
over there?
mental.
Did you like the hotel? Was the food nice?
That's really important.
All right.
Forget about the class.
Yeah.
The hotel, the food.
Yeah.
Anda bisa cerita tentang hotel dan makanan yang Anda nikmati hari ini.
Part of it's actually an island where we stayed at off the coast of Kobe, and we taught the Heart Sutra.
Jadi mereka tinggal di satu pulau dekat
It was
Kobe.
amazing. We only
Hotelnya
got
bagus,
5
makanannya enak.
verses, so we're going back.
Dan mereka bicara tentang 5 ayat, 5 verses.
And Sophie
dari
is now the
Sutra
main
Berlian.
organizer for the Asian Legacy Library. And she's done a tremendous job all around for DCI.
Jadi itu di ada
She's
organisasi
doing
di
great
Jepang
work.
yang
And,
menyiapkan semua itu.
we enjoy working with her. And
Dan
there's a
mereka senang bekerja dengan Maria Kondo yang tadi ditampilkan. Dan mereka menerjemahkan Sutra Berlian.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's see what new experiences and adventures await for us in Japan this year.
Kami ingin melihat bagaimana kelanjutan dari proyek di Jepang.
Video, and then we'll
Sekarang
keep talking
organisasi yang
about
selanjutnya
about the snake year.
dan apa yang dikatakan tentang tahun ular.
Happy New Year.
Selamat tahun baru.
次空间新荣海在2024年，我们做了一种探索。那这个探索呢，就是我们在用了一个舞台戏剧的方式来跟人们分享如何去关爱生命，尤其是面对死亡和了解死亡。因为我们一直身处在一个无常的世界当中。那这个课程呢，受到了我们所有学员、新朋友和老朋友的热烈的欢迎。他们也带着自己的家人、朋友一起走进了我们的课堂。比方说，我们曾经在一次课程的现场有90岁的老人家，还有0岁的孩子。
Para muridnya ada yang usianya dari bayi, ada sampai yang sampai kakek-kakek.
究竟会如何的结束，以及我们作为家人如何去关爱
bagaimana mereka jalani kehidupan dalam keluarga. Kebijaksanaan Berlian akan sangat membantu mereka. Kita akan menambahkan isinya dan itu adalah bagian yang kita cintai dari pelajaran ini. Bagaimana cara hidup bersama keluarga untuk keluarga yang sudah meninggal dan kemudian lebih bersifat spiritual dan bagaimana kita bisa mendampingi keluarga kita di waktu-waktu yang kesulitan. Mungkin ada yang sakit keras atau ada teman yang meninggal. Kita bisa ikut dalam kelas ini untuk cinta kasih dan dukungan dia. Dan kita merupakan jasa kepada masyarakat, pelayanan kepada masyarakat. Jadi kalau Anda tertarik untuk mengikuti kelas ini, ajak keluarga Anda dan Anda bisa belajar bersama keluarga Anda untuk mendengarkan kebijaksanaan kuno.
All right, thank you so much, Vivian. That was what, palliative care one? Is that what she was talking about?
I think so.
Bagaimana kita bisa hidup bersama keluarga.
A project about giving the training to the families who are having
kita memberikan pelatihan kepada keluarga,
who may be getting close
anggota
to
keluarga
this stage in life. So
yang
apparently
sudah
so many people is
mendekati
benefiting from it.
akhir
So thank you,
hidupnya.
Vivian, for what you're doing. And
Vivian
we
untuk
have
yang sudah Anda
guess
lakukan.
who? Xiaoping here
Kita
with
sekarang
us.
di sini
Thank
ada
you so much
Xiaoping.
for coming. Thank you very much for everything
Terima
you're
kasih
doing
sudah
here.
hadir di sini.
And the reason we unexpectedly invite you for this short moment.
Dan
It's
kami
so
mengundang Anda secara tiba-tiba
next project we have to
untuk
show
proyek
you is
ini
Pure Gold.
Oh.
And you're a very
karena
good
kami
person
ingin
to
mendengar
talk about it.
tentang
Maybe can
proyek
you
yang sedang
give a
dijalankan
super
oleh
quick
Siaping,
1 minute
Pure
description
Gold.
of what is
Mas
Pure
Murni,
Gold about?
Before the video.
apakah
Yeah,
Pure
yeah.
Gold itu
Okay, Pure Gold is a translation project.
merupakan proyek penterjemahan
Is is organized by Stanley and me together, and
yang
so we've been doing it for a few years. We had
dijalankan oleh Stanley dan Siaping.
to provide translation for all of
Tujuannya
Asian
adalah
Michael's
menyediakan
work projects.
penerjemahan untuk hasil kerja
Training over hundreds of translators, mainly
dan
focused
mereka
on
ada 100
translating
kurang lebih 100
from
penerjemah.
English to Mandarin or from Mandarin to Chinese.
How many did you have in the beginning? Or
Menerjemahkan
how many
dari
was your
bahasa
first group?
Mandarin ke bahasa
Two?
Cina lainnya.
Oh, wow. The founders.
3.
Yeah.
They also pay
Ada
all
berapa yang jadi anggota dari tim penerjemah? Ada 3 yang hadir di sini.
So Geshe Michael was saying that they also, thank you so much, they also pay all the expenses and yeah, it's a lot. So
Mereka membayari biaya untuk datang ke
all
situ.
of the groups get to use the translators, the translations and the translators. So we have a video for
Kita semua
you,
bisa menggunakan
for the
jasa
audience
penerjemahan.
to get a little peek on what Pure Gold is doing or has been doing
Jadi
this last
kita
year.
akan ada lagi video untuk menceritakan tentang apa yang sudah dilakukan dan apa yang akan dilakukan oleh Pure Gold. Mas Murni.
The Pure Gold Classics Translation Project is dedicated to translating ancient
Jadi
classical wisdom.
proyek ini bertujuan untuk menerjemahkan kebijaksanaan kuno ke dalam bahasa Cina supaya orang-orang yang berbahasa Cina bisa mendapatkan manfaat dari penerjemahan.
And every sentence translated is an heirloom wisdom.
Jadi setiap kalimat yang diterjemahkan merupakan kebijaksanaan.
Transitioning from Chinese-only reading to bilingual English-Chinese reading. We
Jadi
explore the new
mereka dari
exploration of translation,
menerjemahkan dari buku-buku yang berbahasa Cina menjadi buku dua bahasa,
and
bahasa
enhance our
Inggris
translation skills
dan
from
Cina.
within.
We not only support written translation but also interpretation,
Mereka tidak
including for
hanya
ACI,
mendukung penerjemahan buku tertulis, tapi juga terjemahan dalam kelas-kelas.
Tower. We build our own technical team from the
Dan mereka
ground up,
membentuk
providing
timnya dari bawah,
and a video editor
dan mereka
who is poster design.
menyediakan subtitle, termasuk juga isi suara, dan mereka menjembatani antara kehidupan kebijaksanaan kuno dengan kehidupan modern. Mereka bukan keluarga secara darah, tapi secara hubungan darah, tapi mereka lebih dekat seperti keluarga.
How long will I stay? A lifetime. It
Dan
isn't
mereka
enough.
akan melakukannya untuk seumur hidup.
Will you join us?
Maukah Anda bergabung dengan kami?
See you in PG.
Sampai
Let's
ketemu.
translate the prosperity for the world.
Mari kita terjemahkan kemakmuran untuk dunia ini.
Okay, wonderful. Now the moment of
Baik,
truth.
bagus sekali. Sekarang adalah
Because we
saat
hear a great idea
kebenaran.
from one of our hosts, we would like to request if you can share with us a wish that you would like to see
Jadi,
happening.
bisakah Anda bercerita
in
kepada
this
kami harapan Anda untuk
2025
tahun
snake
ini,
year?
untuk tahun ular
You can
2020?
help.
I know she has.
Stanley juga boleh ngomong. Siapin dulu.
I hope that Pure Gold
Saya berharap proyek Pure Gold di 2025 ini bisa membantu
Do you
para
wanna make a wish
kita
for
untuk
Pure Gold as
menyebarkan
well?
kebijaksanaan.
I genuinely wish everyone else
Saya
can
berharap
continue to taste the beauty of this ancient
semua
wisdom.
orang bisa merasakan keindahan dari kebijaksanaan kuno
Better way, continue to
dengan
travel
hidup dengan cara yang lebih baik
to serve the
dan memahami
Okay, wonderful.
kebijaksanaan
Thank you
kuno
so
ini
much.
sejak
May the
dulu.
wish,
Let's
nice
see.
wish comes true. And now, speaking of wisdom, here we are with
Bicara tentang
our friend
kebijaksanaan.
Stanley. And you may think
Kita
like he's
bisa
like,
mendengar dari
a city
Stanley.
person, but actually he's becoming an explorer, a country person, in touch and tune with nature. A farmer, exactly.
Jadi
And
sekarang
now you have
kelihatannya
a
dia kayak
very,
orang
very
kota,
exciting
tapi sebenarnya dia
project
seneng
in the middle of
ke
the
alam,
So
seneng
we have
naik
prepared also
gunung,
a
seneng
special video,
bertani.
but maybe you want to say a little bit about it before.
Yeah,
Mungkin
it's
mau cerita sedikit
so next year this year, April.
tahun ini
In April,
di bulan April.
and Geshe Michael will go to this beautiful ancient site together. It's called Mogao Cave in
Mereka
Dunhuang.
akan pergi dengan Jason Michael ke gua
Really, it's a 1,000-year-old ancient Silk Road.
yang usianya udah 1000 tahun.
And it contains all the beauty, innovation, and wisdom there. So we want to go to
Dan
that
mereka ingin
original
mempelajari
place.
keindahan, kebijaksanaan yang ada di gua
Unique
tersebut.
experience of retreat there.
Okay,
Mereka akan
so
melakukan
this
retreat
time
di
is the
sana.
first trip. What's the purpose of this first trip happening in April?
Jadi
Just to get to see the
ini
place?
adalah
Already
perjalanan
retreat is
pertama.
happening.
Apa
I think
tujuannya
a
dari
lot of
perjalanan
things are
pertama ini?
going right now, and I can't tell you more.
Okay,
But
okay.
we are making
Nah, karena begitu banyak proyek langsung saat ini, jadi
name is
Exciting.
It's called Dunhuang Fest. And
Okay,
then we'll launch something exciting there.
wonderful. Okay,
jadi
so let's watch the
dalam
video.
retreat itu mereka akan
And maybe
merencanakan
some
untuk
answers
meluncurkan sesuatu lagi di
get
sana.
solved there. Some questions get solved by the answers.
And I
Jadi kita
have the
bicara.
strong dream to make some Mogao Cave.
Jason Michael punya impian untuk membuat gua Dunhuang West ini. Mereka ingin melakukan sesuatu untuk generasi mendatang. Sekitar 1000 tahun yang lalu, orang suka melakukan retreat di sana karena adanya gua di sana, karena orang melakukan retreat untuk membangun inovasi. Dan retreat inovasi ini membantu terbentuknya dinasti Tang Chao.
When we think about Dunhuang, key things.
Pada saat kita bicara tentang Dunhuang, ada 3 hal yang akan muncul dalam pikiran kita, yaitu buku-buku kuno dan kemudian seni, hasil karya seni yang dibangun oleh inovasi ribuan tahun yang lalu, dan retreat sebagai gaya hidup. Kemudian guru saya bicara setiap kali beberapa ribu tahun, ada orang yang akan menggunakan kebijaksanaan di sana. Walaupun Anda mungkin tidak menghasilkan sesuatu, itu menanam bibit dalam pikiran Anda untuk bisa menciptakan sesuatu. Jadi kami memohon dukungan Anda untuk ikut serta dalam kegiatan ini.
Yay. Amazing. Yeah. It's going to be really exciting, I think, this year.
I think it is.
Ya,
Me,
akan
those things
menyenangkan sekali
excite me a
tahun
lot
ini.
since the very first time I saw the desert. And
Jadi
especially
ini
that,
memang
the
sangat
Dunhuang
membuat
Cave, I
saya
feel like
merasa
something
senang untuk
exciting.
bisa melayani
I don't know, I grew
mereka.
up watching these movies like Indiana Jones and stuff. So I feel like now Stanley's becoming like the next
Saya dulu
Indiana
biasa
Jones.
nonton Indiana Jones, tapi
Thank you,
sekarang
Stanley, for what
mulai
you're
ngelihat
doing, and
Stanley
it's very
seperti
exciting.
kayak
And
Indiana
you
Jones.
are also gonna enjoy about whatever he becomes, you're gonna enjoy as well. So it's
Dan si
exciting.
Xiaoping juga
See,
apapun yang dilakukan
he
Stanley,
can take
Xiaoping
you on
akan
those
terus
tours as
mendampingi
well.
dan
But also you're doing
menikmati.
wonderful projects, and I
Itu
have
bukan
had the
proyek
chance
yang
to
luar
speak a little
biasa.
bit also Rob already. So I was here trying to get Rob to tell me a little bit of,
Dan
if
Rob
you
juga
could
akan
share
cerita
with us
sedikit
your
tentang
experience of what
pengalamannya
DSU, and then we will have
dengan
Xiaoping. She's
di
the
DSU
director, the
Project,
president of the
DSU
college,
Project,
the university,
yang itu
sharing with us
merupakan
what does it
Women's
mean for
Silk
you. So first
Entrepreneur
I would like to hear what it
University,
means for you as a
Universitas yang didirikan oleh Stanley
Westerner,
dan
and
Xiaoping.
then you as the director, or how do you say, president? No, but there is another word, the dean, right?
Mereka meminta dekannya.
Yeah. You know, I've had the good fortune to go to a lot of these events that
Jadi Rob
DSU is
sempat
doing around the
mengunjungi
world.
DSU.
Just last year, we went to Princeton University, where we
Dan
visited.
tahun lalu mereka pergi ke Universitas Princeton.
And so to watch a bunch of innovators come together
Dan
and
untuk melihat
speak
para
about all of these great
inovator
ideas and wisdom
datang
and what
bersama
we're
dan
trying to
berbagi
out to the world,
ide-ide
super
mereka,
exciting. So
itu
so far,
sangat
it's been
menyenangkan
such an
sekali.
amazing experience for me.
Dan merupakan
Yeah, I had
pengalaman
the
luar
chance
biasa
to be
buat saya.
around for Princeton. I never been there. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Ya, Universitas
Everything is
Princeton
like
emang
just like a
indah
very,
sekali.
I don't know how to call it, authentic vibe of magic, I will say. Yeah. So
Ya,
what is
dan
for
kayaknya
you?
penuh
I
energi,
mean,
penuh kekuatan.
what does it mean in your personal life to be doing this project?
Jadi apa artinya buat kehidupan pribadi Anda untuk
It
melakukan
is
proyek
a
ini?
dream beyond my imagination.
Ini
And
merupakan
it is
impian di luar
a vision.
imajinasi saya.
According to Geshe Michael, is the
Karena menurut
thousand
Geshe
year
Michael,
vision to
karena
serve
kita
the
akan
world
melihat
for the future generations, and it's his gift for the world.
visi untuk
So
bisa
I'm very
melayani
fortunate
generasi
to be a
mendatang
part of it. And in
dan
the last
melihat generasi mendatang menjadi
2024
bagian dari ini.
is later you're going to see the video, and in the by
Akan
the
lihat dalam video
2024 I think we
di
organize the
2024
teachings happen in New
kita
York and
menyelenggarakan
in
pengajaran
Princeton. So
di
there are three
Universitas
great
Princeton
sources of all the teachings of
dan
DSU.
kita punya banyak
Princeton
sumber daya yang bisa dimanfaatkan
representing
untuk
the
pengajaran ini.
Western education. It's the Geshe Michael's
Dan
school.
kita
So we
menggunakan
visited
sistem
Princeton,
pendidikan barat
and then we went to the
dari
old
dunia yang
representing Geshe
yang
Michael's
oleh
90
oleh
years
Michael
of
dan mereka
business
membawa itu
experience
ke
in New York, applying the wisdom into the business. And
jadi Geshe Michael udah memiliki pengalaman menerapkan prinsip-prinsip kuno ini dalam bisnis di New York.
Dozens of years of training.
Jadi Geshe Michael udah mendapatkan pelatihan yang puluhan tahun dengan kebijaksanaan itu merupakan sumber daya yang luar biasa untuk ajaran itu.
And you're going again this year to New York, right?
I think so.
Wonderful.
This year, New York, yes, New York and New Jersey, Princeton.
And also they are planning, the students are planning to come to Sedona again.
In May.
Perfect.
Yes.
That's
Dan
exciting.
kemudian ke Sedona
We have
lagi
this video. It's really,
di bulan Mei.
it's really amazing video. I watched it last night. I was like,
Ada
amazing
video lagi nih,
Francisco.
video
You
luar
have to
biasa.
tell me to do
Saya udah
something like
ngeliatnya
that.
semalam,
Let's
keren
watch
banget.
it.
Okay.
Ayo kita lihat bersama. Ini cerita tentang Diamond Silk University yang didirikan oleh Stanley dan Yaping. Kemudian bulan Mei mereka pergi ke Sedona. Kemudian bulan Oktober mereka ke Princeton. Oktober mereka ke Andin International. Itu merupakan sumber daya untuk pengajaran di DSU ya. Dari Universitas Princeton, dari Sedona. Kemudian juga mereka pergi ke Kyoto karena membuka DSU itu di Kyoto. Dan bulan Desember mereka melakukan Tokyo.
金安丝绸创业大学祝大家新年快乐。
The whole DSEU team wish you a super
Selamat tahun baru dari DSEU team.
Wow, that was so great. Thank you, DSU. I think we need to hire their production team on.
Yeah,
Kita perlu mempekerjakan tim produksinya ya.
Sometimes in communication with with Edmond, Sonia, Dinara. I think they are doing a wonderful,
memang timnya
wonderful
ini
job. So
luar
here's
biasa
sending best
kerjanya.
regards over there. I hope you're watching.
Terima kasih buat
Some
para
of
tim
them were interested
sudah
also
ikut
because you know our
melihat
friend Chloe,
acara ini.
she told me about where to find like Asian markets in Phoenix, and then they start asking me, can you share? You let us know as well. So I did send you the
Jadi
information. You can
mereka
check in your
di
messages.
Phoenix itu
Yeah.
malah
Right. Off you, Gina.
melayani pasar Asia.
Yeah.
Now we have a section with our friend dear Chloe. She will
Kita
explain
akan ada sesi dengan Chloe yang akan menjelaskan
welcome
Chloe.
Chloe.
Selamat datang Chloe, selamat tahun baru.
Happy New Year, Year of Snake to
Selamat tahun baru untuk tahun ular buat teman-teman di Asia.
here. And today I'm gonna share a little bit about the snake.
Dan
So
hari ini saya akan
I have a
cerita
little
sedikit tentang
presentation.
ular.
I'm in the sitting down. Thank you for the setup.
Terima kasih buat
So I
teman-teman yang
wonder
menonton.
if any of
Saya
you guys know
bertanya-tanya kalau ada yang tahu
what's your animal? What's your zodiac animal? So if you don't, okay,
apa
thank you, Rose. If you
binatang
don't, we'll have
yang
a
ada dalam
segment
bio
where
Anda
you can find out your own. Okay.
supaya Anda
So
bisa tahu
this is the year
dengan
of the
Anda
snake.
sendiri.
Oh, you don't see the
Jadi tahun ini adalah tahun
here.
ular.
It's okay, but the people online will see it. So this year of the this Lunar New Year, it's about
Jadi
the
tahun
snake.
baru
So snake
Imlek ini
symbolize wisdom,
adalah tentang ular
adaptability, actually spirituality, and renewal. So the
dan
snake
melambangkan tentang spiritualitas dan pembaruan jiwa dan juga tentang fleksibilitas
the renewed and transformation.
Jadi di sini kita bicara tentang pembentukan diri dan
It
transformasi.
also is a way for us to know that we are constantly renewing and making progress.
Dan kita
Snake
juga
in
perlu
Chinese
tahu bahwa kita
culture
selalu memperbaiki diri dan
symbol of
mengalami kemajuan
vitality and wisdom. So
dan
now
juga menggambarkan
let's see,
vitalitas dan
what is your
kebijaksanaan.
animal? So I got this chart for you guys.
Dan sekarang Anda
This
masuk
one is
di
a
apa?
little challenging. You will see the earth, 5 elements, and the birth
Anda akan
year.
lihat dari
And then you
5
have the
elemen
zodiac
bumi.
animal. And this one, you will see all the years. And now,
Nah, di sini ada tabel yang
chat,
menunjukkan
what is your
tahun
emoji
apa.
of your zodiac animal. So I have all the emojis ready for you. And then also a little bit of the, what does it mean for each animal?
Dan artinya
As
untuk
you
setiap
find out your
bintang
zodiac
ini.
animal, you can, nice. Joy put the dog. Wait,
Jadi
nice.
untuk
All right, so
anjing,
keep sharing, and then we will see what's going on with you. So there
Anda
is,
bisa terus mencoba, nanti kita akan bahas.
okay, now
Ini
if
tahun
you
ular.
are the snake,
Kalau Anda
you are
masuk
snake
tahun
here.
ular,
Okay, I see Connie Chen is a
siapa
snake.
aja yang masuk ke tahun ular di sini?
So if you're a snake,
Anda masuk tahun
probably
ular.
born these years on the screen, 1917.
Anda bisa lihat tahun-tahunnya apa di
Personality trait,
situ,
you're
ada di depan.
intelligent,
Melambangkan
spiritual,
kecerdasan,
wise,
spiritualitas, kebijaksanaan, orang yang
and this is
orang
so
yang
fun.
intuitif.
So wow, I see so many emojis coming. Claudia is a monkey.
Ini ada yang jawab ya.
Ming is a horse.
Mereka lahirnya sio apa?
Li is a dragon.
Ada yang lahir tahun naga.
Margie is a tiger. Wow. Okay, so now let's move on to the traits of
Jadi
your
apa
animal.
sifat dari masing-masing zodiak? Anda bisa lihat di sini.
Thank you for playing. So this time I asked my father about a calligraphy.
Tahun ini saya minta ayah saya untuk membuat kaligrafi sisio
Thank
tersebut.
you. So this is what my father sent it to
Dan
me.
ini apa yang
Calligraphy
dibuat oleh
written by
ayahnya.
a master and sent it to him. And then you can see on the right side,
Ini
that's the
kaligrafi
Chinese word.
untuk
It looks like a worm.
huruf kaligrafi untuk ular.
It has a worm and another one on top of it. So I want to show a I don't know if I have time. Maybe during mixed nuts, the evolution of this word.
Jadi kenapa jadi seperti itu, kaligrafinya ada evolusinya dari huruf buatan
So
huruf.
now this is one. Fuxi and Nuwa. You can see this is a painting was discovered on the Silk Road.
Jadi ini ada lukisan untuk Fuxi dan Nuwa, dua orang.
This is basically the creation gods of Chinese culture.
Jadi mereka merupakan dewa pencipta menurut mitos Cina.
People with the clay, and then
jadi mereka membuat manusia dari tanah liat.
Are the gods, you know, from the heaven.
Mereka datang dari surga
the whole universe,
dan,
you know, our world.
Dan menciptakan dunia.
Big flood, and there was a hole on the sky.
Ada lubang di langit.
Nuwa was the person to cover the hole of the flood with the rainbow.
Dan kemudian mereka menutup lubang tersebut dengan pelangi.
The entire Chinese descendants. And then I went deeper into this snake thing.
Dan kemudian saya memahami apa yang tentang ular. Anda mungkin paham siapa orang ini? Merupakan dewa dari Yunani. Dari yang dewa kedokteran dan punya kemampuan menyembuhkan.
Jadi dia wrap around it. And now there's a big
jadi dia menggunakan ular.
You can see with medical
jadi kalau lambang untuk kedokteran itu memang ada ular yang mencari tongkat.
And then a lot of American health organizations use double snake. So that
bahkan ada lambang yang menggunakan dua ular dalam kedokteran.
So here there's a story behind this Caludcus staff when they were
ada cerita di balik dua
and he just put the staff in between them, then they become harmonized with each other and
jadi kalau ada dua hal yang sedang berlawanan, kita taruh sesuatu di tengahnya, terus mereka jadi seimbang.
Shape and this culture of how the human or civilization oriented from the snake.
Jadi ini melambangkan bagaimana kita bisa menciptakan kerjasama antar manusia dan sivilisasi terbentuk berdasarkan filosofi dari luar. Dan kemudian kita bicara tentang Nagarjuna yang merupakan raja naga. Dan kemudian ada ular di kepalanya untuk melindungi dia.
I would like to show you the origin of the symbol snake. So again,
menceritakan
looking into what's your
asal mulanya lambang ular.
I see Andra is a tiger. Alina is a little.
Ini lagi membacakan sionya apa aja dari karakternya.
And then now here, if you want to look more into your meaning, you can see from here. Alright, now I'm
Anda
going
ingin tahu lebih banyak tentang makna dari sionya, nanti Anda bisa lihat dari di sini sebentar. Ada videonya.
The video is right here. I will share screen.
Akan dilihatkan.
There we go.
Ini dia.
Now you can see thousands of years of a Chinese character change from
Anda bisa lihat huruf-huruf Cina yang usianya sudah ribuan tahun.
Within 1 minute.
Anda akan bisa melihatnya dalam waktu 1 menit.
Oh, you don't see it. Oh, sorry.
Bentar ya.
This is playing on my end. Oh.
Kalau di laptopnya sih jalan.
Okay, I'll do it again. Share. All right. Oh, I I see what is going on. If I do it, if I change my screen size, it does not move. Learn about the snake.
Ini kita belajar tentang ular.
This is what we learn as a kid, how to spell, how to write.
Cute.
Okay, so that is my segment, and we will dig into. Thank you. So this segment, I think everybody learned about your zodiac animals. And,
Jadi di sini kita belajar tentang zodiak.
Into what does it mean for you for this year? And there are 5 animals that you need to be doing an innovation retreat.
Kemudian ada 5 zodiak yang perlu melakukan retreat inovasi.
And then in order to avoid that, which is auspicious, there are 5 zodiac animals needs to be doing a retreat. So now we will review that in the next Peachtree World News. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Okay.
Kembali pada Stanley dan Xiaoping.
That's very informational. Actually, I learned something that I never know as a Chinese. So thank you very much.
Kalau Stanley langsung belajar dari yang tadi.
It's game time.
It's game time.
Oh, sekarang adalah waktunya untuk apa? Untuk kita melakukan permainan.
To keep. Last year we showed you guys a dragon game. So this year
Jadi tahun lalu kita menunjukkan naga. Nah sekarang kita permainan ular.
Some special idioms in Chinese, which is about
kita
snake.
akan menunjukkan beberapa bahasa dalam bahasa Cina.
If you can guess, we'll show you the literal translation of the idiom from Chinese to English, and it's your job to guess. What does it
menerjemahkan.
It's an art of interpretation.
So it's a Chinese idiom time, and the idiom relate to the animal of the
tentang
if they get
istilah dalam bahasa Cina dan nanti Anda menebak.
Red envelope.
Nanti ada angpau buat penumpang yang bisa menebak.
Okay.
But what if they answer wrong?
They're gonna give us red envelope.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Jawabannya salah, nanti mereka yang akan ngasih angpau.
So let's see. We'll show you some. Actually, Chloe showed you before, but you can find a lot of snake in the Dunhuang Cave painting. So as we play along with the game, we will show
Jadi Anda akan melihat banyak ular dalam lukisan yang dilakukan oleh Dunhuang yang di gua tadi.
Next picture.
Selanjutnya.
Yeah, that's another one. It's like a snake bodhisattva.
Ini seperti bodhisattva ular.
Now,
ular bodhisattva.
For the first guess, Xiaoping.
Yes.
Okay.
Oke, kita siap untuk permainan yang
want to try, can raise your hand.
Yang mau bisa tunjuk tangan.
Okay.
Ada follow.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Thank you.
Wait. That's not how the game plays.
First one.
First picture. Next.
Gambar pertama.
Do you want to start, Xiaoping?
Okay. This literal idiom, Chinese idiom usually is 4
bahasa
words.
Terdiri dari 4 kata.
画蛇添足, meaning.
Wait, let's have him read one time.
Okay.
Draw a snake and add feet.
No, please
Chinese.
read after me.
Okay.
画蛇
画蛇
添足
天子
画蛇添足
画天子
Yeah.
If you say this to any Chinese friend, they will be super
They'll be
amazed.
Amazed.
Yeah.
Oh, it means draw a snake and add feet.
Artinya menggambar ular dan tambahkan kaki.
Literal meaning is draw a snake and add feet. What does it mean?
Apa yang dimaksud dengan menggambar?
Fast like a snake?
Nah.
No.
Wait, where's the feet of the snake?
The snake doesn't have any feet.
So what if you add a feet when you
Yeah.
are drawing a snake?
When you are
Jadi pada saat Anda kaki, pada saat menggambar ular, artinya apa?
Someone else make a guess?
Wait.
Okay. You want?
What?
Anybody want to help?
Let's give him a clue. Let's give him a clue.
Okay.
If you make extra effort to draw something which is not there, what are you doing?
Kalau Anda berusaha melakukan sesuatu dan menciptakan sesuatu yang tidak ada.
Resourceful?
No.
Wasting resources.
Artinya adalah orang yang punya
One more clue.
No, it means
punya banyak sumber daya
it
atau
means
orang
that you are doing unnecessary thing to ruin the original intent.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
yang artinya Anda menambahkan sesuatu
I think
terhadap ya selamat tahun baru.
Anyone? Okay, Rebecca.
Rebecca, second one.
Rebecca is also a snake here.
Oh, okay. Let's welcome
another
this
snake.
lady snake.
Next one, please.
Oke, siapa lagi?
Introduce the second one.
Okay. So this one, Rebecca, you want to repeat after me? 打草金蛇打草金蛇打草金蛇Cool. So 打草 means strike the grass.
Yang artinya kita menggoyangkan rumput
You wake up the snake. You startle the snake.
dan membangunkan ular.
Really.
Apa maksudnya?
Slowly. Be careful.
Artinya berhati-hati.
The opposite.
Pada artinya sangat berlawanan.
Words around and you get it.
Hit the ground running
No,
fast.
that's the exactly you don't want to do.
So you don't want to go
Sesuatu
slowly? And you
No, you
don't
don't want
kita
to.
tidak mau
you don't want to startle the
lakukan.
snake. So you want to
Right.
go slowly.
Yeah, you have to be careful.
You want to be careful.
Yeah,
or
yeah,
you'll wake
yeah,
up the
Ingin harus berhati-hati karena kita tidak mau mengganggu ular.
The literal translation of meaning is take an action that alerts someone or exposes hidden intentions. Say you have a secret plan like our teacher always does, and he will never explain to you. He will just take the action. If we
Jadi
explain to you,
artinya kita punya rencana rahasia tapi kita tidak pernah menjelaskan.
okay, anyone want to try?
Ada lagi yang
What
coba?
about Ellie?
Ellie, come on.
Ada Ellie.
Yay.
What's next?
Okay.
Oh, this fits you. This fits you.
Next one, please.
Yang ini pas nih buat dia.
Ah. Yeah.
Come here, please. Xiaoping, can you explain?
Yes. So please read after me.
Yeah.
蛇 means snake. 蛇 猪 means pearl. 引 药
Di sini bicara tentang ular dan mutiara.
药 Literal meaning is the snake's pearl hides its
Mutiara.
ingredients.
Mutiara yang ada di ular itu menyembunyikan cahayanya.
The snake hides the shining of the pearl.
Hides the radiance of the pearl.
Jadi si ular ini menyembunyikan cahaya dari mutiara.
Either a snake or a dragon that has a pearl in its head. Is it anything related to that?
It could be.
But the emphasis is hides its radiance.
Tapi penekanan di sini adalah menyembunyikan cahayanya.
So pearl is supposed to be precious.
Yeah.
Jadi mutiara kan harusnya
The
berharga.
snake is hiding it so that it won't be jealous.
Oh.
No, that's not it.
That's a
either.
good
Si
interpretation.
ular berusaha menyembunyikannya supaya orang
I
nggak
think it's getting
ingin.
close.
Okay.
Ya,
The snake has a pearl.
Something valuable.
Okay, something valuable.
jadi si ular memiliki sesuatu yang sangat berharga.
Or the valuableness.
You got
of it.
American Airlines.
Not showing off.
Not showing off?
Yes.
Is that what it means?
It's not
Close.
high gain.
No. Yes. Okay, I'll review. It's get close. It
Very
means
close.
it refers something very precious or
Mhm.
very variable as being
dan sangat
hidden
berharga.
or being understated.
I see.
But I think
Tetapi
it kind of refers
disembunyikan.
to the Chinese philosophy
Mhm,
or
yeah.
Jadi filosofi Cina,
Taoism philosophy that you are
jadi
not showing off. You try
karena kita
to
nggak mau menyombongkan diri.
not showing off and try to keep a low profile.
Mhm.
And what is
Jadi
the
kita
snake?
perlu rendah hati.
Good question. Why?
The snake
Kenapa
practicing
harus rendah
Taoism
hati?
in this case.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Kan harus lihat.
We will do some research.
That's a good question. Okay, we
Okay,
can do
one more, then we
Next
pick a
picture.
good one.
Oh, we'll show you slightly. So you can see there's a very special statue from Dunhuang Cave. But in the middle of the Buddha statue, what did you see?
Ini adalah patung yang ada di gua yang diceritakan tadi.
They said it's originally from India because Indian people worship snake as a god or something. But
Dan
usually Chinese
kemudian
don't.
Anda lihat di dadanya itu ada lukisan ular.
Snake as something beautiful from India, from ancient
Okay.
India. So
Dan
they even
ini
join on.
kepercayaan dari India kuno bahwa ular adalah sesuatu
Okay,
yang indah.
let's play the last game.
Yeah, last one, but I want to show. Next one, please. I would like. Yeah, this
This
one.
one. Okay,
As
good,
a
good,
good wish for the this year.
Oh,
Okay.
Dan ini
Let's
merupakan yang terakhir dan harapan untuk tahun ini.
of Peachtree World News.
Memang
I don't know why I had a feeling
MC dari Peachtree.
Oh, snake. I thought it's
Wait, let's
snail.
read it. Let's read it.
Okay.
如
如
蛇
画
龙如蛇
如蛇
画龙
画龙
如蛇画龙
如
蛇画龙
Okay, 如蛇 means like a snake. 画龙画
Jadi
is a
artinya seperti ular,
transform.
画龙
Yeah.
bertransformasi, berubah menjadi naga.
Yeah.
So literally it means as if a snake turning itself into a powerful
Seperti
dragon.
ular yang
What's the
berubah
difference?
diri menjadi naga yang indah.
I guess it's from something small you can create something very big, very
Dari
wonderful.
suatu hal yang kecil kita bisa mencapai sesuatu yang besar.
Oh, that's it. Okay, thank you.
Ini yang pas deh.
Thank you for helping all the organizations of Geshe Michael.
So what does it mean?
Sure,
That's
thank
Kita
you.
membantu organisasi-organisasi lain yang dijalankan oleh Jasa Michael.
Describe a remarkable transformation or someone achieving greatness.
Perubahan yang luar biasa dari seseorang yang mencapai
Actually, you can wish some Chinese friends by saying 如蛇画龙, like wish you turn into
Jadi ini
something.
Anda bisa
Yeah, so I think it's
kata ini untuk mendoakan
good,
seorang sukses.
New Year wish every one of us here or online they can transform into
Jadi kami berharap
meaning they will experience
agar
remarkable
teman-teman di sini semua
transformation
bisa
and
berubah
achieve
menjadi naga.
greatness in their life in 2025.
Yeah.
Yay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Wow, thank you. So I'm very happy to be here, and
Saya merasa
I
senang
also
sekali ada di
wish for
sini.
everyone else here
Saya
so
juga
we can keep our transformation from snakes,
berharap
from
bahwa kita
worms to
semua
snakes,
bisa
and then from snakes to
bertransformasi
dragons. So
dari
thank you so much to
ular
all
menjadi
of you
naga.
that are here. Just your mere
Terima kasih
presence
kepada
makes this
semua yang
very
hadir di
meaningful
sini.
for me. Thank you
Ini
so
sangat
much.
berarti buat saya.
In order to keep going with our program today, otherwise I'm going to
Lanjutkan
start
program
recording
kita
and
hari
stuff
ini.
like that. We have two very good friends. One of them already very well known. You know her. It's Chloe Ma. Thank you so much. And also we have Rosa Van Grieken, which is here with us today to tell us about a very cool project that she has been working with. Okay, tell us, Rosa, what are you hiding in that bag?
Also very well known.
Very well known, of
Dan
course.
ini
So I
disembunyikan
brought this for Chloe.
di
This
tas itu.
is a very special bag
Ini
that we
hadiah
designed
untuk
for
Chloe
Chinese New Year. To
yang
help her
desain itu
all her New Year's resolution.
Oh my God, I have to go to bed now.
Yeah.
untuk resolusi tahun baru.
I have been staying up late. Wow, I cannot believe it. This
Yeah.
is a super cool color. how did you design this one?
Well, I was talking to my friend Tina, and she's like, it would be lovely to have something in this color. And I thought it was so great because it's,
Dan
it's such a, elegant color.
Rosa udah bicara dengan temannya Tina mau menghadiahkan apa ke Chloe dan mereka berpikir oh iya ada warna yang bagus nih buat si Chloe.
Keeping this practice, and it's,
Ini
I
untuk
thought it was a
membantu
great
Anda
honor.
supaya terus bisa
Wow,
menjalankan ajaran-ajaran
thank
kita.
you. This is lovely.
So what does the red means for this kind of celebration? I see it's a very important color for this particular
Jadi
celebration.
apa makna dari warna merah ini? Saya lihat
Wow,
ini
I have
bukan
to
bagian
prepare
yang
that
penting
for
dari
the next
perayaan.
New Year.
Anda harus menunggu
Well,
sampai
obviously,
perayaan
thank you
tahun
for
baru.
the studio audience. Everybody,
Terima
almost
kasih kepada
many
teman-teman di
bright
studio.
colors here. I actually don't know
Banyak
why.
warna-warna
But
yang
actually,
menarik.
there is a little thing about
Yeah,
Nian.
suspicious color.
There was
Yeah.
a monster called Nian, which is year, and then he is afraid of red color. So when this during the new Nian, New Year, everybody were red. That was just one story, but I don't know if it's true. But this is such a
Memang ada
cool
cerita tentang ada
tip,
seseorang
very
namanya
classic.
ya
But you know, if you
yang
don't know
takut
the
dengan warna
practice, then
merah.
you have to put your electronics away at 10 p.m. So if I take
Setiap
this,
tahun baru Cina
there's
mereka selalu
pressure
menggunakan
on
warna
me, but
merah.
thank you
Jadi
so
kalau
much.
buat Chloe itu bisa
This
digunakan
is a
untuk
great
menaruh
gift for
gadget,
people.
untuk menaruh
If
laptop.
you're not keeping it, or you can have another one. I have 3 colors now. I got. I'm still trying to get this practice going. And then if you haven't
Saya
seen
punya yang kayak
this,
gini dengan
I
warna
really
lain.
use this every day. I put all my class, stuff in here, and there is a lock. And then,
Wonderful.
The most important
So,
part.
oh, you want to explain about it? But for my perspective, if I was an audience, I would say like, okay, I want one. How do I get one?
There's follow the QR code.
Yay!
Nah, kalau Anda pengen juga,
And we
Anda
have all the
bisa
colors available.
lihat QR code-nya di situ, bisa beli.
Thank you,
Bagus.
Chloe. That's awesome. Please enjoy.
Thank you for your design.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New
Tahun
Year.
baru buat semua.
Happy New Year. We have somebody else very special
Kita
that
ada
sent
orang
us
lain
a
lagi
video
yang
to
sangat
wish you a
bisa.
Happy New Year and say to extend his gratitude with all of you who are here tuning with us tonight. Can we go to the video, please?
Yang akan menunjukkan video yang menunjukkan betapa kita berterima kasih tentang dari dedikasi Anda semua. Terima kasih kepada semua yang sudah mendukung Mixnuts dan partisipasinya dalam proyek kita, dalam penerjemahan naskah kuno untuk membuat ajaran kuno ini supaya bisa diakses oleh semua orang. Saya adalah Nixio, direktur dari penerjemahan Mixnuts. Selamat tahun baru. Kami sangat-sangat bersyukur untuk tahun kemarin yang sangat produktif, dan mereka memulai proyek baru. Mereka memulai proyek baru itu di tahun Desember 2023 dan sudah sangat melesat kemajuannya. Dan kami sangat menikmati proses pengajaran yang dilakukan di kelas tersebut. Saya merasa senang sekali untuk bisa bekerja sama dengan masing-masing Anda. Dan mereka juga belajar tentang meditasi kekosongan dan mereka menerjemahkannya. Dan itu sudah diterjemahkan dan diterbitkan dalam bentuk buku kertas. Dan nanti juga akan diterbitkan sebagai buku elektronik. Akan banyak buku-buku baru yang akan diterbitkan. Dan kami semua bekerja bersama untuk menerjemahkannya. Dan kami sudah berharap kami bisa menerjemahkan lebih banyak daripada yang kami bisa. Dan kami berterima kasih kepada Jason Michael untuk pengajarannya. Ada untuk kelas-kelas yang luar biasa. Dengan Mixed Nut.
To help direct you to language classes or even perhaps organize some special Zoom classes.
Kami dengan senang hati juga bisa mengatur kelas untuk Anda bergabung, mungkin lewat Zoom juga bisa. Terima kasih untuk dukungan Anda. Selamat tahun baru.
Thanks, Nick. That was so great. I think we're going to see Nick a lot this year, maybe with some surf trips. What do you think, Juan?
I really hope so.
Yeah. So what do we got going on next?
Okay, we have reached to the last and the pinnacle of this celebration. For tonight or today, if you're watching in Asia, we have no other than our wonderful and super dear Geshe Michael Roach to share.
Sekarang sebagai penutup dan puncak dari acara ini, kita akan mengundang Geshe Michael. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Thank you again. Thank you everyone for the beautiful.
Terima kasih semuanya untuk acara yang sangat menyenangkan ini dan juga merupakan acara yang penuh pengajaran.
So I've had a very good year. I started doing Goodnight Book Club 1 year ago, and over a year ago.
Saya memiliki tahun yang sangat bagus. Saya ada kelompok membaca sejak
get rid of my electronics at 10 p.m. And I don't have a red bag.
Untuk menjaga kesehatan berusaha untuk tidur lebih cepat jam 10.
Very religiously, very strictly. I put it away at 10 o'clock and I don't
jam 10 itu biasanya komputernya udah disingkirkan.
Until 6 a.m. And I always wanted to get up early and I never had the discipline to get up early.
Teleponnya sampai jam 6 pagi.
8, 9, 10. And since I kept the Goodnight Book Club system,
tapi karena
I've been able to get up early, 6 o'clock.
Tapi karena ada yang kelompok membaca malam itu, Night Book Club itu, Jason Michael bisa disiplin, akhirnya bisa bangun jam 6 pagi. Biasanya kadang-kadang bangun siang bisa sampai jam 8.
Usually by 7 I start translating ancient books.
Kemudian jam 7 mulai melalui terjemahan.
I feel able to do huge amounts of work. And last year was an incredible year for me. I translated.
Jadi tahun kemarin Jason Michael berhasil menerjemahkan sekitar 3.000 halaman karena pikirannya jernih. Jadi Jason Michael menyarankan Anda untuk disiplin seperti itu.
I've been helping 12 translators. One of them is Zhou Xiaoping.
Jason Michael sudah membantu 12 penerjemah, salah satunya adalah Yosefin yang sudah bekerja selama 8 tahun.
It's called Vinaya, which describes the ancient way of life of wise people, men and women,
cara hidup kuno dari orang-orang bijak di zaman kuno. Salah satu buku tertua yang kami terjemahkan.
Difficult to translate, and they are
sangat sulit untuk diterjemahkan. Karena bukunya kayak campur-campur selama ribuan tahun. Jadi proyeknya John Brady yang ELL.
And we have, I think,
menghabiskan waktu 37-38 tahun untuk mengumpulkan buku-buku kuno.
That's available. So what's exciting is
yang menarik
adalah
pada saat kami menerjemahkan buku baru, ada pilihan.
Millions of pages. We have about 3 million pages.
Untuk menggunakan jutaan halaman.
We can search a database.
Itu bisa dicari di database.
The mistakes that were made over hundreds and hundreds of years. This morning.
Dan menggunakan aplikasi itu mereka bisa memperbaiki, membetulkan kesalahan-kesalahan yang sudah dilakukan dalam ribuan tahun.
617 different commitments, ethical commitments, and they were very, very confused. And
Dan
in Arizona,
contohnya
in
adalah
California,
ada
they were all mixed up,
667
completely mixed
sumpah
up,
yang
and
diucapkan,
really,
tapi
really,
semuanya pada campur
a
aduk.
couple of times in the last couple of weeks, I thought I'm gonna give up. I'll just publish it the way it was carved, you know.
Dan Jesse
And then,
Michael
I
berusaha
thought,
untuk
no, no one else is gonna figure this out,
mengatur
you know. So
ulang
I tried and tried and
urutan dari
tried,
sumpah-sumpah tersebut,
and my
tapi
wife was
susah
cheering
banget
me
sampai
on.
dia
You know,
hampir
she said,
putus
"Did you
asa mau
figure it out
dibiarin
yet?" I
aja
said,
apa
"No,
adanya, tapi
I'm
terus
still
akhirnya dia
working
ikut
on it,"
lagi.
you know. And this morning,
Pagi
breakthrough
ini
and finished, you know, and now it's
akhirannya
correct.
Jesse Michael
For the
berhasil
first time in
menyelesaikan
maybe
buku
2,000
terjemahan
years, I
ini.
think it's completely correct. And
Dan
it was very
urutannya
exciting
juga
for me. And then I
sangat
thought,
menyenangkan sekali.
I must be finished with the book. But there, I saw there's another
Rasanya udah
150
selesai,
pages left.
tapi ternyata ada
Wow, I
beberapa
thought I was finished.
halaman lagi yang masih
And then the
tersisa.
author,
Dan
who lived
kemudian
about 300-400 years ago, he said,
penulisnya
by the way, there are
yang
some
hidup
ancient
300-400 tahun yang
advice
ada
after you finish the 617
ada nasihat dari zaman kuno.
commitments. There
Kalau
are
Anda sudah
16
menyelesaikan
advices.
17
Yeah, I never heard of them,
komitmen,
and I translated
ada
them this morning. I
16
thought they
nasihat.
were beautiful, and I just
Dan menurut
thought
saya
it's
nasihat
nice
itu
to
sangat
share it
indah.
today. So we have a few minutes.
Kalau kita ada
About 3
beberapa
more
menit,
minutes.
saya bisa menampilkan
Here's the
nasihat
16.
tersebut.
They are
16 nasihat.
dessert after you take us 600 commitments. Okay.
Jadi ini
Number
seperti
one,
makanan
if
penutup
someone
setelah Anda
wants to
mengambil sekitar
fund it,
700 sumpah.
for a purpose, always use it for the purpose that you promised the person, or at least tell them.
Jadi
Make
Anda
sure
bisa
they
menggunakan
agree
nasihat
before you
ini
change
untuk
your idea about where the
menyempurnakan
funding
sumpah
goes.
Anda
That's pretty
pada saat Anda
obvious
menjanjikan
there.
sesuatu kepada seseorang.
This is beautiful.
Indah
Once
sekali.
you teach other people,
Setelah Anda mengajar
then you should
pada orang lain
commit for the rest of your life.
bahwa Anda
to
harus
help them.
memberikan komitmen untuk
Either with teaching
sisa
or
hidup Anda,
with
ini
their
akan membantu mereka.
material needs. You know, like a new car or I don't know, place to stay,
Kita
or
bicara tentang
food that they need,
kebutuhan
or things like that. And I thought
secara
that was very
fisik.
beautiful.
Menurut saya
I feel like it's
indah.
something we're supposed to do, but I didn't see it written down like that.
Saya
Once
merasa
you teach
adalah
someone,
sesuatu yang harus
try to
dilakukan.
help them continue throughout your life to teach them, but also
Jadi
it's your
Anda
responsibility after you teach them to help them when they need
kalau Anda sudah
things
mengajarkan sesuatu
materially.
kepada seseorang,
I thought that was
Anda juga
beautiful.
memiliki tanggung jawab untuk memastikan
Here's
bahwa
number
orang
3.
tersebut
Never
bisa
whisper
terpenuhi
into
kebutuhan
the ear of
secara
another
materi
person's wife
fisik.
or husband. I think that's just good advice in general.
Ya,
So
itu
you
adalah
don't
salah
get
satu
fired if you want
nasihatnya.
that. Then you know, those people who committed to
Dan orang-orang yang sudah membuat
there's
sumpah,
just a kind of a general suggestion about not goofing off. Okay, that's easy. I love number 5. It's
saya
that
senang
once you
nasihat
make
yang
a
nomor 5
commitment to a spiritual life, you
yang
should not do
menjelaskan
housework.
arti sumpah kepada dalam kehidupan
No
spiritual.
sleeping or preparing food. So I made sure that my wife saw this one.
Di sini nggak usah membersihkan
Dressing
ruangan
a
atau menyiapkan
person
makanan.
who has not been ordained,
Jadi orang
giving
yang
them robes, letting them wear robes,
yang belum disumpah, Anda perlu membantu mereka dengan jubahnya.
All right, here's number 7.
Ini nomor
Don't
7.
get grumpy when people
Jangan
ask you to
marah-marah
praise another person.
pada saat orang yang minta Anda untuk memuji orang lain.
And I know when I praise one of my students
Ya,
today,
saya
I do
tahu
a
kalau
lot
saya sedang memuji salah satu murid saya.
around the world, and I really started to appreciate. You know, some of them been working for 20 years, more than 20
Ya, saya
years.
sangat menghargai
And I
kerja
really
mereka. Ada yang
appreciate
udah
it, and
kerja
they're very
sampai
precious
20
to me.
tahun. Dan buat saya itu berharga sekali.
That's a good one. Number 8.
Nomor 7, nomor 8.
I'm always fighting for a word to translate serna, which means
Saya selalu berusaha mencari kata yang tepat untuk bisa menerjemahkan kata sena
but I don't like the
yang
word.
ada hubungannya dengan
It's
kata
not a
pelit.
very pleasant English word, and it's not very literary.
Dan buat Jesse Michael,
And
menurut
so
Jesse
I
Michael
had sort of a
ini
breakthrough
agak
today. I said
kurang enak
refusing to
didengar.
share. You know,
Jadi
refusing to share housing,
uh,
possessions, and
dia berusaha
resources.
menerjemahkan dengan cara lain.
Practice number
Artinya
8.
adalah kita
I'm going, Juan.
perlu
I'm trying.
berbagi dengan orang lain dari sisi
To
mungkin
complain
dari sisi
about
makanan,
another
dari
person's
sisi tempat tinggal.
viewpoints, ethical behavior, how they
Ada
do their
beberapa poin lain,
ceremonies, or how they make their
perilaku
living,
yang etis.
just because you want to criticize them, okay? Because you don't like the person, not because you don't like what they're doing, okay? Okay, number 10 is
Jangan
one
suka
word, and I translated
mengkritik
a lot
orang
of
hanya
sentences,
karena
and then
kita
I said,
tidak
yeah,
suka
it's just
perilakunya.
one word.
Ada
Spitting.
yang nomor 10 cuma satu kata,
No spitting. Puh.
jangan meludah.
It's not elegant for teachers and you know.
Buat seorang guru
wisdom.
jangan meludah ya, itu
That's
enggak
a one-word
kurang enak.
spitting. The next one is similar. Chomdewa means put down other people. You know, oh, you're stupid, or you don't look nice.
Jangan merendahkan orang lain, yang nomor
Okay, we're
11.
getting there. Number 12.
Nomor 12,
This is beautiful.
ini
When you finish a retreat,
pada saat Anda menyelesaikan
you
retreat,
must open the front door and walk for at least 1 mile.
Anda perlu
So
membuka
that you
pintu
don't
depan
get
dan
attached to
berjalan
the
kurang
house.
lebih paling sedikit
I thought, like,
1
don't
mil,
really understand, you know, like,
mungkin sekitar 2 kilo.
you get very attached to your retreat house. And then
Karena
when
pada
it's the
saat
last
Anda
day
bangun
of the
retreat,
retreat,
badan
you
Anda
feel
kaku,
some
jadi perlu jalan
walk
kaki.
away. And don't be attached to the, it's not the
Ini
place,
juga
it was
maknanya
the
adalah
meaning of the retreat.
lepaskan
It wasn't
semuanya,
the
jangan
location
kita
of the retreat. Very beautiful.
terikat pada sesuatu.
Number 13.
Nomor
If
13,
you do walk for over a mile from your retreat house, make sure there's no coyotes or mountain
jadi kalau
lions that are
Anda berjalan kurang lebih 1
Okay,
mil
don't forget
dari
that one.
tempat retreatnya, pastikan tidak ada
14,
binatang berbahaya.
arguing or debating with other people
Yang
just to
14,
show that you are superior.
jangan
Because you are
berdebat dengan orang lain hanya untuk menunjukkan
you
bahwa
just
Anda
want to
hebat.
show how cool you are. Translate many books to show how cool you are.
Jangan,
Okay.
mungkin Anda udah menerjemahkan banyak
Number
buku dan Anda
15.
pengen menyombongkan diri,
To
Anda keren.
interrupt another person who's trying to ask the teacher a question.
Kemudian jangan memotong orang yang sedang bertanya kepada guru.
Very wise to have that one. Okay, number 16.
Sangat bijaksana sekali.
If you
Nomor
do
16,
commit to do a circle day or a retreat,
kalau Anda
then keep your rear end in the building. And don't go wandering around outside, or don't go too far away from your retreat cabin. Once you make a
jadi
commitment
kalau
to do
Anda
a retreat,
udah bersumpah untuk melakukan circle day, Anda jangan kemana-mana.
don't move around. Okay.
Jadi tetaplah berada di sekitar tempat pondok
For
retreat.
dessert. Back to you, Juan Hasso, and thank you for asking me
Oke, kembali ke Juan.
And congratulations on your show, because it's
Dan juga
you
selamat.
this is
Jadi
a 2-year anniversary, really.
2-year anniversary.
And you did a
ini
great
merupakan
job.
peringatan
Very,
ulang tahun
very
kedua.
happy and impressed with your show.
Thank you
Dan
so much.
dan sangat kagum dengan
Without
pencapaian
you
ini.
and all of our wonderful friends here, thank you so much. Really, all of you make a part,
Teman-teman.
and so many of you, pretty much I would say everyone really has helped in production, in
Iya,
content. And
semua orang banyak yang membantu
this
untuk
success
keberhasilan produksi acara
in
ini.
mine, it's a shared success, and thank you very much for
Terima
the love
kasih.
really and the support.
Cinta
And
kasih.
finally, for honoring the first of the translation, we
Untuk
will
menghormati
have a video to honor the
proses
sponsors
penerimaan,
for Latin America.
kami ingin melakukan video sebagai rasa terima kasih kepada sponsor dari Amerika Latin.
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Fue una linda experiencia. Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your trust. And thank you for allowing us to carry the torch of wisdom across Latin America.
untuk memberi kami kesempatan untuk bisa menawarkan kebijaksanaan di Amerika
Thank you
Latin.
to all the people who are making this possible, the Latin
Maksud pada
American
semua yang sudah mendukung
audience
acara
in
ini.
this video, to thank everyone who has been supporting them. So in regards of everyone, we just want to say Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Selamat tahun baru.
come and show your pretty faces. I think people really appreciate. Please, 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 make a little room there. JB's coming. JB's coming. I saw him somewhere. So we just want to send best wishes.
Ingin mengucapkan selamat dan pengharapan yang terbaik untuk Anda semua.
And Mark, and Jack, and Rebecca are there hiding.
Ya, siapa lagi yang mau gabung?
And Francisco, of course, Rosa. So thank you very much. We want to wish you best year, and hopefully we see you again next year.
Yeah.
Tahun yang terbaik dan mudah-mudahan bisa ketemu lagi tahun depan.
Yeah, let's celebrate the snake. Horse, right?
Horse next year.
Okay, next year, see you in the horse year, but let's use this year wisely.
Tahun muda, mari kita lalui tahun ini dengan
Thank you. And if you're live, you can enjoy the special dinner we have for you. If you're online, you
kalau
can.
Anda ada di sini, kita ada makan malam bersama. Makan malam istimewa untuk bersama. Ya, terima kasih.